Oh, hey! It isn't every day that you find an East Coast-inspired home with a backyard that's as charming as the front porch. I'm Helen from Helen's team, touring you through 644 Yarmouth Drive in Waterloo, a property that invites you to see the quiet spaces with a good book. Inside, bright, open living spaces feel larger than expected, offering an atmosphere that feels comfortable and delightful. My favorite features are the hardwood and ceramic tile floors, the large windows, the 2 gas fireplaces, and of course, the creamy colored quartz countertops in the kitchen. Finished on 3 levels with 3 large bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, you can move in and start enjoying all the special spaces this house has to offer. Eastbridge is known for its excellent schools, with the Catholic and public school both within walking distance, as well as nearby favorites like Brown Social, Rim Park, Grey Silo Golf Club, and quick access to the expressway. From sunny reading nooks to quiet places to unwind, this home offers a space for every good book and every season. And the best part is, this house isn't mine, and it should be yours.